Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel and we're back again with another tutorial video. So for this video, I'll be teaching you on how to hide your repost on your TikTok account. But first, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. So to start, let's go on to my TikTok account and then let's click on my profile. Then go to the 3-bar button at the top. And then let's click on settings and privacy. And then go to the privacy. And then click on privacy and go to interactions. And then here, make sure that your like videos is set to only me. So in this way, all your like videos, all your repost videos, and all your favorite videos will be hid from your friends or your followers. So that's how you hide your repost on your TikTok. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please comment it down below. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on our next video.